Guys, look, it's gonna come down now, hopefully. It's
Sometime
gonna
soon.
move the wheelbarrow, dude. Move the wheelbarrow. Fast, go move the wheelbarrow. Hey guys, that's my friend, cousin Caden. And you know who this is. All you lady folks know who this is. Probably. This guy behind me is savage. Aren't you? He's very savage. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, but this is stupid, dude. Okay, this thing's gonna come down. When do you think it's gonna come down, Uncle Ray?
When do you think you're gonna come down?
Whoa! Tell him what you just said, bro.
When do you think you're gonna come down?
Whoa! Back over. What? What'd you say? Uncle Ray. Oh. The truck is gonna pull that. Oh yeah, the truck is gonna pull that. It's gonna crush the wheelbarrow.
Just like he's gonna crush you.
Ooh, you're savage, man. You're savage. Oh, he's gonna get the truck.
Unlike you.
What do you think, Uncle Ray? Is it coming? Ouch, dude, stop. It's gonna crush your wheelbarrow. Yeah, I told you. Move it. Boy, I got the video on. Show how fast you are. Run, run, run. This guy loves video games. TF2, let's go. PUBG. What's up, dude? Intermission. Sorry about that, guys. 2 minutes later. We're still here, guys.
2 hours later.
Sorry, guys.
2 million years
Give me a second.
later.
Another intermission.
2 hours years later.
We're back on, dudes. I think it's gonna come down. What do you think? What do you think, Caden?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna come down?
Well, duh, it's a flipping chain.
There's no chain on it. Look, there's no chain. Guys, look.
Not
Is there a
yet.
chain on it? It almost looks like...
Well, dude, then how's he gonna rip it? How's he gonna rip it off
I don't
without
know.
a chain?
Hey, if any of the YouTubers watch this, please remember to subscribe and follow us and give us likes. We at least want to
And
have
remember,
we at least want to have 100 likes, please.
and our
Watch this, guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do this, guys. It's gonna fall.
And
Look,
our
it's already
goal-
falling, dude. Look at the things below it.
and our goal for today next year is 100,000.
Here it goes, guys.
likes.
Here it goes. Woo!
Boom!
And Kaden's gotta go dance. Woo! Kaden! Woo! To the truck, bro.
What?
Dance at the truck. It looks so cool with the spotlight. He's going to dance. It looks cool, man. Woo! It fell. Woo! There's the dancer. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Bye.